Do you know what happens when you crack your knuckles? If you've subscribed to my channel, let's get back to our topic. When you crack your finger, the joint capsule stretches and the pressure inside drops. This pressure drop releases dissolved CO2 gas in the synovial fluid, and small bubbles form. When the bubble bursts, that crack sound you hear occurs. So does it cause any harm? 60 years of scientific research gave the definitive answer, no. In fact, a doctor proved this by cracking only his left hand for 60 years, and both hands remained the same. So you can crack freely, but be careful. The same joint cannot be cracked again until it refills with gas after 20 minutes.